Removing image backgrounds used to be slow and frustrating. You had to open heavy software like Photoshop, carefully draw selections, zoom in, fix the edges, and spend several minutes on just one image. And if you made a small mistake, you had to start over again. But today, you don't need any of that anymore. In this video, I'll show you how to remove image backgrounds automatically, for free, in just a few seconds. And all you need is your browser. Just go to remove.bg. Once you're on the website, click Upload Image and choose any photo from your device. It can be a person, a product, or even an object. The AI instantly detects the main subject and removes the background automatically. No manual selection, no design skills, and no software installation. This tool works especially well for product photos, profile pictures, thumbnails, and social media posts. So if you sell products online, create content, or make presentations, this can save you a lot of time. After the background is removed, you can download the image with a transparent background. Then you can place it on any color, any design, or any background you want for websites, online stores, YouTube thumbnails, or ads. If the result isn't perfect, you can still do small adjustments using the edit tools, like erasing or restoring certain parts. But for most images, the automatic result is already good enough. So when should you use this tool? Use it when you want speed. Use it when you don't want to learn complicated editing software. And use it when you just need a clean result fast. For basic needs, this free tool can completely replace traditional background editing. And if you like simple tools that save time and make your workflow easier, make sure to check out the other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.